Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Now, this van has not been converted yet. It's going to be going to conversion. It should be ready early to mid-February of 2020. We took this van on trade and I wanted to do a video of it to show you what good condition that it's in. And that way, if you buy it, we can ship it directly to you. You know it's in good shape. You know it's very clean. This van has nearly brand new tires on it. Lots of tread left on them. We actually took this van on trade from a gentleman. They drove this van from Ohio. That's about 1,200 miles away. So obviously very reliable. It has very low miles, 22,000 miles and some change on it. We're going to get this converted to the rear entry manual ramp and door. The pictures you see on this listing obviously are not this actual van. They're a van that's going to be exactly like it. So it's going to be just like all the rest of our conversions, manual ramp and door, rear entry. I do see a slight little scuff right there. Looks like they put some touch-up paint on it. But overall, I can't even find a dent in this van. That one small scrape right there, this body is nearly perfect. Of course, it's going to be the rear entry. So the pictures you see are what this van's going to look like. And we've taken all the seats out already. We've got it ready for conversion. They're going to cut a canal right up here. It's going to have the two standard middle row seats, and of course the front, they don't mess with the front at all. So if you want to put any different kind of seats in here, you want to put some more narrow jump seats, you want to put some flip base seats, it's always nice when they're at conversion. You can do all that stuff very easy. So right now the main goal is to show you what great condition this van is in. So if you do buy it, you know that once it's converted, it's very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. Got two sets of keys there, keyless entry, got your user's guide in there. No signs of any smoke, no signs of any damage, no signs of any unusual odors. This van's pretty much brand new condition. You see the current miles, 22,800 miles. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the dual climate control. Driver can be one temperature, passenger can be a second. When I go to turn the van on, fires up first time, every time. You can see all the dummy lights work. There are no dummy lights on. We've tested the power mirrors on this van. Power mirrors, power windows, heat, air. Everything works good. This is pretty much in brand new condition. I know it's not a brand new. I know it's a little older. This was senior owned. They actually traded it in on a mobility van. Drove this van down to us. This van's been garaged all its life. Very rarely driven. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6. We've checked the fender rails, no signs of any damage. We checked these vans over very close before we purchase them or take them on trade. No signs of any leaks. The van idles smoothly. Underneath the van, it is very clean. Older gentleman owned this, he hardly ever took it out. A little dirty underneath, but overall very clean. Much of the same. I'm always cautious when I buy a vehicle from up north. You know, I don't see any unusual rusting on this, which is good. Just average surface rust to be expected on a vehicle that's 6 years old. And no matter who you buy from, have them get out there and make a video for you. Have them crawl underneath the van. Know what you're buying out there. Don't get suckered. A lot of people out there, I can buy these vans for cheap when they're all rusted out or when they have, you know, an accident or a salvage title. I don't do business like that. I've got enough headaches on my hand. So let's take the van on a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the van on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, and whether we ship this van directly from the factory or you come in and pick it up, you know this van is roadworthy. Got up to about 67 miles an hour. You see the steering wheel is nice and straight. I'm going to set the cruise control. So this van is going to be converted. It's going to be darn near brand new condition, but for a fraction of the cost of a brand new van. Very low miles, senior driven, one owner, very well taken care of. And I know there's a lot of competition out there selling mobility vans. When you're talking with another dealer, ask them if they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau like Affordable Mobility Solutions does. If they don't, be sure to ask them why not. You might want to take that into consideration when you're making a purchase. If you buy from an individual, you have no guarantees they're going to provide you a title. You have no guarantees they're going to fill out the title correctly. As dealers, we are governed by the state. We answer to the state, and if we do anyone wrong, if we don't provide a title, if we sell a limit, we are held accountable. That's why you always want to buy from a dealer. You need to ask the other dealers, do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? I know a lot of dealers will quote you one price. They'll beat you down throughout the day, take all your time up. 3 or 4 hours into the deal, you learn they have $1,200, $1,500 of added on fees at the end, and by that time you've been shopping all day, you're so sick of it, you just give in. It's a tactic. It's a slimy tactic. I'm going to give the van a hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So overall, very clean van. So back to my point, I don't do business like that. I don't try to slip in $1,200, $1,500 on the back end. What you see is what you get with our prices. This is the price you see is quoted, delivered to your door. You know, my next point, do they offer free shipping? We offer free shipping in the lower 48 states on our new conversions. Take advantage of that. Don't worry about having to arrange shipping and deal with all that. Let us take care of it. That's what I do for a living. And of course, do they get out there? Do they make a video of the van so you can see exactly what you're getting? Yes, of course I want to sell you a van, but I want to sell you a van that you can use. I want you to know that it's in good condition. Anyone can make something look pretty in pictures. These videos show the real deal. They tell the whole story. Make sure whoever you buy from, they're getting you a detailed video so you know exactly what you're getting. Don't spend all this money and then get something you weren't expecting. So, if you ever want to come in and check out one of our vehicles, please give me a call. I know your time's valuable. I don't want to miss you. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. Call me, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. Deal with the owner, not a salesman. Check us out 24 hours a day at mobility316.com, www.mobility316.com. We do have financing available. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.